How to create a new Embark account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a new Embark Studios account. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is open your web browser, and here you're going to search for Embark Games. And once you get here, you will find this id.embark.games. Just open this URL and it will take you to the login portal of this website. Now here actually you have two ways to log in. Once you get to your page, you first have to connect your Steam account, and once your Steam account is connected, you just have to create this new ID where you will just have to enter your date of birth. And then after that you just continue with your email. So just enter your email address here. Now all you need to do is just type in your email. So I'm just going to do that right now. Now just tap on continue. And here you have to verify your email address. So just tap on resend verification. And as you can see, the verification email has been sent. All you need to do now is confirm your verification on your email. So I'm just going to open my email right here. So as you guys can see, I have gotten this email address. So I'm just going to tap on verify email address. And as you can see, so here the email has been verified like so. Now you can just continue on with your Embark's website. So that's how you create a new Embark's Games website. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.